Hey guys, it's little old me, Natural Hair is Key, and I'm back with another video. And today I will be showing you how I achieved this super slick braided ponytail. So let's get started. First, I will be applying Cantu argan oil leave-in conditioning repair cream. And then I'm following that up with mustard seed oil. And the reason for these two steps is basically because the first time I tried this hairstyle, I did not put moisture back into my hair and my hairstyle came out a hot mess. So it's very important to make sure that you apply moisture back into your hair after you freshly wash it and before you apply gel. Okay, so let's get into some good old mustard seed oil benefits. So first, mustard seed oil helps reduce inflammation on your skin and your scalp. This oil also has antibacterial and antifungal properties, which help address issues like dandruff and seborrhea. Mustard seed also has antiparasitic effects, which makes it effective against a certain type of mite that is found on the scalp, known as Demodex follicularum. Mustard seed oil also helps promote hair growth. And would you like to know how? Well, I'm glad you guys asked. There's evidence that shows certain compounds in mustard affect some receptors in the hair follicle, which plays a part in controlling hair growth. And lastly, it helps smooth split ends and it makes your hair more shinier. So now I am just finalizing my part before I take the rest of my hair and slick it back into a ponytail. Once you get everything nice and slick back, you want to take your Stylefactor gel and just start to apply that to all of your hair except for the front. And I do think that utilizing the back of a comb is very helpful just to help kind of iron out the wrinkles or the waves. Okay, so after you're done applying the gel, you want to just ponytail that back in place. And now we want to start on the front. And we just want to apply the same steps to the front as we did to the rest of our hair. And we're going to split the front into two pieces. And slick the first piece down to the side. And you want to let the comb guide you. Once you have the hair secured in place, you want to start to apply the gel or your pomade to that section. And then I'm just going to utilize the comb just to kind of help me guide the hair the way I want it, just to have that nice little angle that I'm looking for on the way back to the ponytail. And then we're just going to apply the same steps to the last section. Except this time I will be utilizing the Denman brush and a regular brush with firmer bristles, just to kind of help reduce all the flyaways that I tend to get and the frizziness that my hair tends to have. So once you're satisfied with your outcome of your little swoop, then you'll just want to ponytail that piece in place. After you have secured your ponytail, you can either, work on your baby hairs or you can just apply your silk scarf. And I would recommend at least letting it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. For the ponytail, I will be using the Freetress pre-stretched braiding hair. To apply the hair, I'm going to take a hair scrunchie and basically knot it around the hair. And for the moment of truth, looks like we didn't do too bad with these baby hairs. Now to secure my hair, I braided the hair into 3 pieces. And now we're going to install the hair. And to make sure it's secure, I'm going to bobby pin it in place. Now you want to start to French braid the hair all the way to the bottom. I didn't use anything to secure the braid, but you definitely can. You can either secure it by applying a rubber band, or you can soak it in hot water, or you can just knot it. After you complete the braid, you will want to take a little bit of the braiding hair and you want to start to wrap that around the actual ponytail. And when you reach the end of the braiding hair, I started to just slide it right under the hair that I already previously wrapped. I do recommend that you do apply gel to the hair that you're wrapping around the ponytail, just to help reduce any flyaways, because I used mousse and I still ended up with a flyaway. Now that I have completed the braided ponytail, I'm going to touch up my hair because I have noticed some frizziness has started to resurface. So I'm going to tackle that, and then I'm going to apply my silk scarf and then another scarf as well. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the final look, and I am finishing it off with some Isoplus hairspray just for a little bit of extra moisture and shine. And yeah, besides my one little flyaway in the back, we did this thing here. So, would you like to see more? Then click that video on your screen now. And I'll see you on the next video.